this is Booster Crypto. I'm Dan. This is the video getting started in crypto, transfer to Kucoin, and why I use Kucoin. First off, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm going to tell you a bit about how I do things in crypto, things that have worked out for me. So if you want more, please like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to add some money on Coinbase Pro and send it to Kucoin. There are many strategies for finding the next 10x or 100x in crypto. I like to look at the small cap stuff on Kucoin, coins like Telcoin, Veracity, or Multivac, among others. In my opinion, Kucoin is the place to find gems that haven't gained heavy adoption yet, and that could make that jump to a major exchange like Binance or Coinbase. One of my favorites that I found on there before it moved into the top 100, now top 50 coins, is Phantom, which has been growing its ecosystem in leaps and bounds recently. So this video won't show you the process for making accounts on Coinbase Pro or Kucoin. It's a simple process to create accounts for each and to connect your bank to Coinbase so you can add fiat to get started. One final note, as you start this journey, Coinbase has a waiting period for transferring recent deposits. Even though I don't trade heavily on Coinbase, I keep a small balance there, which means I can transfer up to that amount instantly each week. Something to consider, as sometimes in crypto, you want to move quickly and add purchase power without delay. So, if you're ready to move some money to Kucoin to get started, let's go to the desktop. Alright, so here we have the Coinbase Pro page, and I'm going to click on Deposit. And I'm going to go down to USD, which is fiat, US dollar. And then, since I already have it connected to my bank, I'm going to click on Bank Account. And for this video, we are going to do $200. And you're going to preview the deposit. And there's no fee to deposit, and you'll see it's available to withdraw within 5 days. But because I have a small balance here at Coinbase, it should be available immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Deposit USD. And done. So now I'm going to go over here and click on Portfolio. You'll see it hasn't shown up yet. It should quickly. And this is the small balance I was saying that I keep here. So I can transfer immediately up to that amount from Coinbase to somewhere else, because it's been more than a week since I've done that. So, okay, so there you see it showed up, US States dollar, 200. Next step is to convert it to USDC, which is the stable coin that I prefer to use, and that is pegged to the US dollar. You'll see on Coinbase Pro, there's a button here, convert to USDC, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then that brings up this page. I'm going to do the max amount because I'm going to do everything I have. So you can see that I'm turning 200 US coin into 200 USDC. I click convert. There's no cost to doing this. Great. So now I have $200 of USDC, which is a stablecoin cryptocurrency. And you can see now here on my portfolio page, it now is listed as USD coin, which is USDC. So next step, so now I want to transfer that, which is withdraw. I'm going to click withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw the USDC. And I'm going to send it to a crypto address because I want to send it to Kucoin. Now, the USDC here on Coinbase is ERC20 USDC, so I'm going to bring up my Kucoin account. This is the deposit page on Kucoin, which you'll find once you log on to your Kucoin account. I'm going to select USDC. It's Ethereum USDC, and it gives me my wallet address. And then this button here copies it. So I've now copied that address. I'm going to go back to Coinbase. Right here it says enter address. Click on there and you paste. And then you click on use this address. And you'll see underneath here, at first it was red and then it pops up green and it says valid USDC address. So that's how you know you're sending it to a wallet address that is compatible with what you're sending. I'm going to go ahead and send the max amount, which you'll see is $197 because the network fee is $2.42, so I'm going to send $197. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click withdraw, and you'll see that brings up this page for the two-step verification. So if you don't already have it, you should put Google Authenticator onto your phone, and that will give you the number to verify the transaction. And that number changes, I think it's like every 10 or 15 seconds, and that is just to ensure that no one else but you can make that transaction. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead on the video, and we'll see about how long it takes for the money to show up in our Kucoin account. So it was only a couple minutes, which is one of the benefits of using USDC. It's quick, relatively cheap. Cost me, what was that, $270 to send $200, and it took less than 5 minutes. And you'll see you get this notification here that says you have received 197 USDC. So that's it. Pretty simple. You can now send USDC to Kucoin and be ready for your first spot trade in crypto. If you have any comments about things that have worked for you or things you do differently, please leave them in the comments below. This is Booster Crypto. Come back for more, and let's build some life-changing wealth together.